in my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Not like me, many of people asking me, please making video about the 8 repeat, how to making like me completed this game meter depth. So guys, everything so much easily now. I will be explaining you all about this game, how to complete to be this game depth. Okay guys, so just everything to be easily now, not to be hard, because I'm more helping to you every time, every day, because sometimes many people not to be understand how to be complete to be this game meter depth. So go eat the 8 repeat game name and I will be explain you all about this game, how to complete to be this game meter depth. Okay guys, I'm already playing this game and I will be tell to you how to complete to be this game meter depth, because everything more easily now. Just my wish is to be explain you all about this easily and you will be understand now, and just I will be skipping this ads, then I will be moved back. Okay guys, I'm be collect now. Okay guys, first of all I will be all about this explain you how to complete to be this game meter depths, because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to complete to be these games. So all about easily no, just I request you everything to be easily no, just only watching my video completely I will be helping to you. Guys, this is the more important for you options I will be telling to you, because sometimes many people not to be understand, but I want to be explain you all about. First of all, these options the more important for you, because these options sometimes not to be people understand what is this. So guys, this is the everything more easily options, because if I click on this one of the ads and claim to my rewards, so starting timing and I will be show you something you will be understand how to complete with this game meter depth. Okay, because then I'm before double coins I will be earned now. Okay, so I will be click on, because when you will be starting this game, and first of all up options more clicking now, because sometimes you not to be clicking, so then you will be never be receiving your earned coins. Okay, I will be show you something. Okay, and before I watching X5 air the video. Okay, I will be click checking now how much I will be receiving my coins, because this is the more important for you this options, because sometimes people's not to be understand know how to complete to be these games meter them. So guys, next track I will be show you. Then you will be starting this game and you will be clicking on us, and if you want to more coins, so then you will be easily like the more foods you will be purchasing. You know, this is the more important option for you, because many of people sometimes not to be understand what is this. So guys, maximum like the 60 to 50 like the you will be purchasing more foods, then you will be more receiving coins, and before also to be watching X5 ads, because many of people asking me I will be starting this game and how to complete with these games. So many of people request to me today video about this, so today I will be making now. Okay guys, and before I will be click on X5 ads. Oh my god, not to be sure X. Okay guys, you will be checking on these options, because sometimes many people not to be understand how to complete to be your receiving quiz. If you have more coins, so then you will be easily like be complete to be this game, and I will be starting one more, and then I will be finish this video. Just I will be explain you how to complete to be this game meter depth, and what you do, just I will be explain you, just I playing this game and then I will be all about telling to you. So guys, I already be told to you, first of all you will be more foods purchasing now, then you will be starting your depth and you checking now 470, because if you have more like be more foods 60 to 70 to 80, then you will be starting this game and you will be also purchasing offline earning, because this is the more important for these options, and then you will be easily to complete to be this game. And I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please request to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.